Understanding the phrase, nest egg, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss that can be quite useful in everyday English conversations. We are going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, nest egg. Stay tuned to understand how to use it in different contexts and to enhance your English vocabulary. The phrase, nest egg, refers to a sum of money saved for the future or for a specific purpose. It can also imply an investment set aside for long-term plans. The idea is that this money will grow over time, just like an egg eventually hatches into a chick. People often use this term when talking about savings for retirement, major purchases, or financial security. The term, nest egg, has a quite interesting origin. Historically, farmers would place a fake egg or a real egg in a hen's nest to encourage them to lay more eggs. The hens would see the egg and think that it was a safe place to lay their eggs, leading to more eggs being produced. Over time, this practice led to the metaphorical use of nest egg in financial contexts, symbolizing money set aside to encourage growth and accumulation. Now, let's go through some examples to see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. After years of saving, their nest egg was large enough to buy a new house. 2. Many people invest in the stock market to grow their nest egg. 3. She started putting aside a small amount of her paycheck every month to build her nest egg. 4. It's never too early to start thinking about your nest egg for retirement. As you can see, a nest egg is essentially a financial cushion that people create for themselves to secure their future. When using the phrase, nest egg, it's important to talk about long-term savings or investments. This phrase is not typically used for short-term savings. For example, you wouldn't say, I'm saving a nest egg to buy a new phone next month. Instead, you might say, I'm saving a nest egg for my child's college education. That's all for today's video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what nest egg means and how to use it in your conversations and writings. Remember, building your own nest egg is a wise decision for long-term financial stability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language content. See you next time.